Hello children, in this video we are going to start with practice set 43. Question number 1, choose the correct option. If arc AXB and arc AYB are corresponding arcs and arc AXB equals to 120 degree, then what is the measure of the arc AYB? It is 120. So measure of the major arc will be 360 minus measure of the corresponding minor arc, what is given AXB. So AYB equals to 360 minus 120 equals to 240. So 240 is the correct option. Question number 2. Some arcs are shown in the circle with center O. Write the names of the minor arcs, major arcs and semicircular arcs from among them. Minor arcs. Arc QXP, it is less than 180 degree, so minor arc. Arc PR, this is less, so it will be minor arc. RY, another arc, minor arc. YQ, another arc, it is less than 180, minor arc. XQ, minor arc. XP, minor arc. And PRY, here it will be again minor arc. Very clear? So many minor arc are there. Now major arc we will see. PYQ, major arc, more than 180 degree. You can see this. Arc PQR, major arc. Next, arc RQY, major arc. Arc XP and Q, see here. Again I repeat, arc X, P, Q, major arc. Angle arc X, Q, P, major arc. Arc X, Q, R, major arc, which are seen to be more than 180 degree are known as major arc. Semicircular arcs, how they are formed? With the help of diameter. So here arc QPR, you can write arc QXR also will do. But Q and R must be the part of that arc. Another one is arc QYR. Here these two arcs make angle of 180 degree. I am sure it is clear. Next. Question 3. In a circle with center O, the measure of the minor arc is 110 degree. What is the measure of the major arc? PYQ. Measure of the major arc is 360 degree minus measure of the corresponding minor arc. So PYQ equals to 360 minus minor arc 110 degree equals to 250 degree. Therefore, the measure of the major arc PYQ equals to 250 degree. I am sure it is very easy. See you in the next video with new chapter. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you. you.